So tomorrow is the Ignite Your Life conference being held at Advocate Sherman off of Randall Road in Elgin. I'm going to go scout out whether we get free valet and if there's free food. Hang on. Just found out valet is on this weekend and it's free. Gratuity is voluntary. But that'll be cool, especially if it's going to snow. This is where the conference will be, the base of the Tree of Life. And the Tree of Life is that thing. It's right after inside the valet parking, which is free. I have to say that again. And that will be where the conference is. So, see you guys tomorrow.